Another way that you can adjust your canvas in Photoshop is by using the trim option. Now this works really great when you have an image like this where there's some kind of solid color border around it, such as white or black, and you want to quickly remove that. Now you could do this by using something like the magic wand or selection tool and then cropping. However, you might miss some pixels or accidentally grab extra pixels you didn't mean to and end up cropping out extra things that you didn't want to do in the first place. So we use a trim tool to make this process go really quick and easy. If you go to the top, and if you want to follow along with the cameras.psd file, this already has a border set for you so you can practice this. But if you go to image and you go down to trim, you're going to be presented with a basic dialog box, and it just asks how do you want to trim this picture based on transparent pixels, the top left pixel color, or the bottom right pixel color, and what we're actually trimming. So this is basically just telling us what do we need to look at to trim. We don't have any transparent pixels in this image, so that is not highlighted. Top left pixel color, well, if we look at the top left of this image, it's white, and bottom right pixel color is also white. So depending on what you have or what kind of image you're working on, you might want to select one or the other here. Both of these are going to do the same thing. And then it says, based on that color information, so the white color information of the top left pixel, what are we trimming away? The top, the bottom, the left, or the right? We have a nice even white border all the way around, and because the top left pixel color is white, we can trim off the top white, the bottom white, the left white, and the right white. So I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. And as you can see, it just instantly removes that for me. Really nice, quick, and easy. If I undo that and I go to trim again, maybe we want to keep the top and bottom, but we want to trim away the left and right. We can just unclick top and bottom, hit OK. It's going to look at that white pixel information, but just trim away the parts that we want to. So that's a quick and easy way for you to trim out your documents. Sometimes you're going to have documents like this where there's already a border around it and you want to quickly get rid of that border. This is the way to do it. And just to show you, bottom right pixel color is also white. This shouldn't change, but if we hit OK, that'll go ahead and delete that for you.